I'm in Bordeaux, France, in the tiny village of Saint-Émilion at the Château Troplong Mondot. They produce a Premier Grand Cru Classé wine here, and I am going to be staying here for the night. The vineyard is behind me, in front of me, and this is my hotel or my accommodation for the night. Beautiful small boutique property. It's 4 rooms, a suite, very private, a view of the village in the distance, stunning gardens, the vintner's home. This is the entrance to my room. I wouldn't call it a room at all, but just so pretty, so well done. Simple, elegant. Patio opens out into the vineyards. Grand view for the mornings. Bordeaux wine growers are going back to centuries-old farming methods and using horses, yes, horses, to plow the land. It's very interesting to see such sustainable methods being widely used. Instead of energy-guzzling machines, I see horses tilling soil in different vineyards to aid in soil aeration as well as prevent soil compaction.
We started working with a few horses in 2010, and now we do almost everything with them. So different steps, meaning different tools. What they're doing right now is that they're just tilling, so just plowing, tilling in the middle. So the tools like that, we call it some clows, because they're clawing at the ground.
The very large vineyards may not be able to use this method because of the large number of hectares under cultivation. But most, if not all, smaller vineyards already have this as part of their USP now.
Can't really see much, but we plant a lot of different things in the middle of the vineyard. Cereals, mustard, clovers, Japanese radish. I've seen some fava beans here.
This method also allows for planting of off-season plants like legumes, mustard, carrots, etc. that further enrich the soil. This sustainability story is here to stay in Bordeaux. I visited Château Troplong Mondot that is using pigs, chicken and ducks. Yes, you heard me right. Pigs and ducks to actually clean up and consume the organic waste that is generated in their Michelin restaurant as well as in the vineyards. This also helps in cutting back on waste going to landfills and preventing disease of the vines.
Lots of clay. A lot of clay.
So it retains a lot of water?
Kinda. And it's really sticky when it's raining. We call it the loving earth. You know, it sticks to your shoes and doesn't it leave. So it's a clingy lover. So a lot of clay, but on the top here you can still see many stones coming up on the surface. So those stones will be a regular millstone or fossilized limestone, but they contain species of flint here. You can see it's quite a different color, different texture. So flint here, it tends to gather the heat from the sun rays during the day and it gives it back at night. So the soils are always a little bit warmer here on the top. Go midway, down to the bottom, no more stones, just silty clay, and that's much cooler. So the fact that it's a bit warmer, it will be Cabernet Sauvignon, because you have the stones, the flint, so warmer, and it's facing south. So if you go further down, or if you go on the east, it will be Merlot. Don't need as much flint. And stone is a little bit porous, so when it's raining, it tends to hold onto the water, store it like a big sponge, basically. So even in the drier season, for the years where we have a real dry season, the vines will still have access to some water thanks to that.